Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a stake account. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open a browser and then in the search bar search for stake.com and make sure it's the official website. So once you're inside the official website, you'll then be able to find an option that says register at the very top. You need to go ahead and simply tap onto it. But if you like to sign up with your Gmail, your Facebook, you can go ahead and do so. So once you're inside here, select your preferred language and then you need to go ahead and simply tap on confirm. Now inside here, you will have to go ahead and simply enter your username, your email, password and date of birth. Once you've done that, simply tap on continue and then in the next page, you will have to go ahead and select your currency. Stake supports both crypto like Bitcoins or Ethereum and some options depending on your reason. After that, check your email for a confirmation link and click to verify your account. And that's it. Your stake account is ready. Now you can log in, deposit and start playing. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.